In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Replit app as a zip file. This is an incredibly useful skill to have, especially when you want to create backups of your work or share your projects with others in a compact form. We'll go through each step, ensuring that you understand the process thoroughly. First things first, you'll need to log in to Replit. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do that at replit.com. For those who already have an account, simply go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Replit dashboard page, a familiar space where you can see all of your projects. Now, the next step is to locate the particular project that you wish to download as a zip file. So take a moment to scan through your list of projects. Once you've spotted the right one, click on it to open the project. You'll then be directed to the project workspace where you can make edits, run, and test your code. Now that your project is open, you'll notice on the left side of your screen is the File Explorer. Take a look at the top right corner of the File Explorer. You're looking for that little three dots menu, often called the Options or More menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu hides a host of useful features, and thankfully, the option to download your project as a zip file is one of them. After you've clicked the three dots menu, you'll see an option that says Download as Zip. Simply clicking this option will kickstart the download process. Almost instantly, your browser will commence downloading the entire project as a zip file directly to your computer. You can typically find this file in your Downloads folder unless your browser is set to ask you where to save files. And just like that, you have successfully downloaded your Replit project as a zip file, all neatly packaged on your PC. This is particularly handy for backing up your work or sharing it without needing to upload code to a communal platform. Remember, practicing this process will help it become second nature. Regular backups are always a great habit, ensuring you never lose your progress and can share your projects without a hitch. So take a few moments today, try downloading your projects, and reap the benefits of having quick access to your work offline and in a highly portable form. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to download your Replit project as a zip file. I hope this guide was helpful and clear, and that you feel confident using this feature for any of your project needs. If you have any more questions or need further clarifications, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy coding!